Hey everyone, this is Brian Moore from PM Square coming at you with another Planning Analytics tutorial. If you like what you see, be sure and visit us on LinkedIn. My URL is BrianPM2. Happy to connect with you there and answer any questions you may have. All right, so let's get right into it. Today's topic is PAW navigation. We're going to show you some basic tips about how to do some cube viewer editing, modifications, and setup right from the grid face. Here we are in our sample system called AdventureWorks, and I'm going to right-click to add a finance view. And how many times do we see when we come into a view or a cube for the first time and see that the dimensions are all out of order and not oriented in the way we want them to? Well, in PAW, we have a lot of new navigation features that allows us to quickly configure the view in the fashion that we want it to. One of the most exciting ones that I like is grabbing a hold of an element and dragging it to swap with a dimension that is in the title bar. So I'm going to grab a hold of net income, and we'll put it up here on top of organization. And we'll see that we've just swapped the organization dimension with the net income element. And also this feature really helps us zero in on where there is data. If we have a cube that has 10 to 15 dimensions and it's very sparse, it can be very difficult to find the non-zero cells within that cube without going through 10 iterations of subset editor and having to edit 10 different lists. So this new feature makes it very handy. I see that there's data in the northeast element, and I can quickly drag northeast on top of all departments and keep northeast. And now I have the department list. And next I'll grab an amount element. I'm going to drag that on top of the time dimension. And I see that there's no data for years 2005 to 2009, but some data out here in 10 through 13. So let's isolate January 13, and I'll drag that on top of the accounts dimension. And it appears finally I've hit the end level because I'm starting to see some non-bold cells. So very important to find end level cells, especially if you want to do data entry or if you want to troubleshoot some feeders. Reorient this by swapping the two row and column dimensions so that I have a nice departmental P&L. And we'll show you some of the other features by just right-clicking. If I go ahead and right-click on top of net income, I see I can choose to keep or hide elements within the dimension right here from the grid screen. I don't have to get into subset editor. And also drill up or drill down or expand to level. So maybe I want to truncate this and not have the end level elements in there. So I can quickly expand to level 3, and it removes out those end level elements, gives me a nice summary P&L. The other one we'll demonstrate here is the ability to keep. So I can quickly select maybe a few of the high level items like net income, operating profit, gross margin, OPEX, and other. And if we keep those, we have a very summarized list here. So as you can see, I go ahead and hunt around, see those different features that you can access right here on the grid screen without having to use subset editor. That's all we have for now. Be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, the PM Square channel. Drop us a comment there, and look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.